Hi guys, good evening. This is Shaw from QuantSutra. Date is 13th June 2025, and we have a US100 in front of us. Market was consolidating. There was a big drop yesterday, and market was consolidating for the whole day. We have a news today. The market high was out. The nearest liquid high is out. Market's nearest liquid high is out. It was in a big fair value gap, or what we call as an imbalance. Let the market sustain inside the imbalance, then we can discuss whether the market can cope up or else doesn't sustain and come back to these lower levels. So my projected levels gonna be if in case if it sustains well, the market can take out these highs today. If the market sustains below, market goes to these lows or else these lows. There is the two nearest liquidity points where the market will grab the liquidity and start moving the upwards. So let me draw the diagram. So let's consider market dumping down, a retest to this area, again a small retest to continue fall for this area. This is a one kind of scenario that we are looking, and the another scenario is let the market to take out this FEG, a retest, and pushing towards these highs to take out these high liquidity. That's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this. I'll come back again tomorrow. Thank you.